who have completed their PU education through distance learning cannot seek admission to the 5-year law course.
Okay.
And there was a legal allegation. Already students who joined for law course, they have all approached them, they have gone to court. Then they informed that they will provide their degrees, but they cannot practice like advocates.
Okay.
So a student who is going for distance degrees, what is their future plan?
Okay.
So that also they should keep in their mind.
Okay.
Now even BE, PTEX, ACT is, since 2009 they are not permitting through distance education.
Okay.
So if they want to go for further higher education, for jobs, they should not choose any open distance, not only any open distance corresponding courses.
Okay.
They should not choose for these programs, professional programs.
Okay.
So people must have have the knowledge of these things.
ओके मॅडम एक सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा मांडला की एखादी युनिव्हर्सिटी व्हॅलिड असू शकता, एखाद्या युनिव्हर्सिटीक मान्यता असू शकता, पण ती युनिव्हर्सिटी जर स्टेट युनिव्हर्सिटी असा जाल्यार ती स्टेट युनिव्हर्सिटी आपल्याच स्टेटी भितर एक स्टडी सेंटर उभे करू शकता किंवा भुरग्यांक प्रवेश दिवू शकता. कर्नाटका स्टेट ओपन युनिव्हर्सिटी जर गोव्यान एखादो प्रवेश प्रक्रिया सुरू करता आसत तर ती गैर आसा, ताका कायद्यान मान्यता ना. हो पॉइंट सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचो आसा. म्हणून हे खंयचोय कोर्स घेता आसतना खूप खबरदारी घेवप हे खूप गरजेचें आसा. मॅडम व्हेरी important point you have mentioned. Madam, what about the validity and I am asking what about the weightage those who are securing degree from the distance education? Are they considered equal as a regular university when they go for the job placement?
100%. If the recognized university, recognized study center degrees are valid, as I am saying, a student has to take care. And here I am also stating one more.
This is a misconception that those who are securing degree from the distance
because
education.
These are all the points, they are not aware.
Okay.
Sometimes what happened, they may go, we have seen the cases, a student has done BPP program and she had done degree program also. She applied for LLB. So naturally they rejected admission for LLB and she was totally depressed and she was just blaming the university.
Okay.
So there is no meaning of blaming. One should first, if we are investing the money, we are investing our lifetime which cannot get back, then we should also find out what we are doing, how far it is. Distance education is really wonderful opportunity for people who are working, they get promotions. See, all the teachers are doing IGNOU B.Ed.
Okay. Madam,
they are getting promotion.
Yeah.
They are
Madam,
getting regularization.
Every university is following some kind of structure and a function. So what about IGNOU? That they are following a certain kind of, they must be following some certain kind of structure.
Yes, it's true. In IGNOU also it is a 3-tier program. And the headquarters is located in New Delhi. In the headquarters, all the vice chancellors, registrars, and division like student registration division, student evaluation division, other divisions, and all the schools will be located in the headquarters only. They prepare the syllabus, they develop the curriculum, they prepare the questionnaire, everything, question paper, everything will be prepared by headquarters only.
Okay.
So they only impart the education through regional centers. Regional centers are established by the IGNOU. In every state, one region is minimum, more than one also there. In
so
Goa, we are the representing that. Panjim we have. So again, the regional center will establish the study center. Study center is a part-time job. So wherever regular colleges are there, we identify the colleges. So where the same program is there, we identify those colleges, we establish our study center. It functions on part-time basis, as I said, weekend only classes will be there. Who are interested, they can attend the academic counseling session.
So madam, many times we heard the phrase called contact program from the student. So what it really means, and is this instruction, what instructions you are giving is same like a regular universities, or you are professor doing some innovative methods?
It's a very good question. In fact, I appreciate you. This is the major problem we are facing also. And at distance education, academic counseling is not like a regular college lecturing. It is a group activity.
Okay.
So the learners in distance education, they have to prepare, they have to study the study material. They should come and participate in the discussion.
Okay.
And they can discuss about the topics or assignment or a project. The doubts should be clarified by the counselors.
Okay.
The counselor is only an expert who facilitates to learn the distance education.
So there will be no spoon feeding.
No. Because the material itself is wonderful material. They can study and understand themselves. And even the material contains self exercises.
Okay.
The self activities, it may not carry the credits, but it helps the learner to understand well. They have to practice at home.
Okay.
So our evaluation is a continuous evaluation, comprehensive evaluation. We conduct the assignments and projects are there, practicals are there, term and exams are there, and self-activity exercises are also there.
And is it compulsory to attend a contact program?
No, it is not a mandatory.
Okay.
And that's why people prefer distance education, mainly working professionals.
Okay. Okay. Madam, you talk about the distance, discussion method and project method, but what kind of technology is using by the IGNOU? So I heard that IGNOU is they are having FM also, or
yes. In fact, ITC is very well developed in IGNOU. You can see, if you see the IGNOU website, www.ignou.ac.in. Every syllabus also updated in the website, every assignment also updated. So the study material is available, hard copy also available online also.
Okay.
Even the student can read the content, they can opt for their specialization programs.
Okay.
It's very easy for them. And IGNOU has 2 Jnanadarshan channels, a TV channel, Jnanadarshan 1, Jnanadarshan 2. So they are continuously providing telecasting programs and live programs.
Okay.
And we have a Jnanavani program, All India Radio, we are also having the studio.
Okay.
So it is also continuous, they are providing all subjects, all lecturings they provide. And in Jnanavani we have interactive radio counseling sessions, IRCs. So there the expert will deliver a lecturing, the student can ask the question, on the spot they will also clarify their doubts. Beyond these things, and the CD-ROMs are available, video cassettes are available, audio cassettes are available.
And these cassettes are available
all
in
available for
center.
Yes, centers, and
center.
students also getting study centers. So it is easy for them to carry them and study at home.
Okay.
Even one can sit at workplace and browse IGNOU website, they can plan their studies also.
Okay.
Even their admissions are available online. They need not approach the study center or research center. Their admission status, their result status, their assignment submission status, their grade card status, everything is available online.
Okay. Madam, what are the benefits received from the IGNOU if those you are pursuing studies in the IGNOU?
Yes, very good. See, as already I said that it is meant for all people, not a particular age groups. Even I show you one good example. It is a letter received from HAL. So the people who are working already or who are studying also after IGNOU degrees, they will get jobs there in any government, non-government also. And they will also get, who are working people, they get promotion, they get the incentives. It is a moral boost to them.
Okay.
Even the parents also can study, they can develop their skills, the student, they can guide their children.
And one more query is, no higher authority can deny your right to pursue your study.
No.
If you are a government servant, no higher authority that you cannot study and all this.
It's true. Even some cases what happened, the organization themselves are making IGNOU programs as mandatory.
Okay.
If you see that Kendriya Vidyalaya, 120 Kendriya Vidyalaya in the country, now they are making our IGNOU certificate program as a compulsory for their teachers.
Okay.
To update their skills, to improve their skills.
Okay. That is my question, that what about the teaching community? Do you offering some innovative course for the teacher community so they can cope up with the changing educational scenario?
Yes. Actually, we have plenty of program for each professional, not only for teacher. For particularly teachers, we have focused, I am saying, beyond the B.Ed and M.Ed and MA education.
Okay, we'll start from B.Ed, madam. How many seats are there in Goa regional?
No, it is not like university level. It is for study center 100 only the limitation.
Okay.
So each study center 100, Goa has 7 centers, 700 seats.
Okay.
So these B.Ed programs and MBA, all these programs, they conduct the open entrance examination, open MET, yearly twice in the month of February and September. The learner has to apply for that, who qualified based on the merit. they will be called for counseling at regional centers.
Okay.
So first 100 will get.
Okay.
Again, as I said that IGNOU is a recognized university, the seats will be again distributed like general merit, SC separate, ST separate, physically handicapped separate, war widows, all the people. Even the people of SC, ST, physically handicapped will get the scholarships.
Okay.
There is a fees reimbursement by the IGNOU. Even some learners.
And what is the fee structure for the IGNOU
The
courses?
fees is very nominal. IGNOU is a charitable organization. Their motto is to uplift the undeveloped areas and to provide higher education for the needy people.
Okay.
If you see the features of IGNOU, really so nice. The cost is very nominal. The Master of Arts, if you take it, is 4,500 rupees.
Okay.
The entire program course. You may not find. And the MCOM fees is 5,500. Entire program cost.
Okay. With the study material and
everything. Yes, everything. Only for exam they have to pay.
Okay.
Even the material cost itself will be more.
Yeah.
And they need not go for any other textbooks.
Yeah.
Study material contains the entire syllabus. It is helpful for writing assignment, for doing project, everything.
Okay. Okay.
So the very reasonable fees the IGNOU provide all over India, I can say.
Okay.
The overall MBA cost around 30,000 plus. Very less.
Yeah. And what other courses for teachers community?
For teacher community, so there are programs available. Postgraduate diploma in higher education, PGDHE.
Okay.
So these are all any teacher they can do these programs. And postgraduate diploma in school leadership and management. Postgraduate diploma in educational management and administration. Postgraduate diploma in educational technology. Diploma in creative writing in English. Certificate in guidance. Certificate program in teaching of primary school mathematics. Certificate program in teaching of English as a second language. Certificate program in functional English.
Okay.
These are all the programs. Even IGNOU offer gold medal for one learner at national level. Our Panjim, one learner from Margao Center received this diploma in creative writing in English last year, gold medal from IGNOU.
Okay. And what about a Goan student? Are you receiving good response from the Goan
Very
student?
good response, really good, and good admissions are taking place. Around 50% students are from Goa only. In
and
fact,
what message you would like to give through this program?
let's see, it's a good actually. Goa is a good state. I'm really happy to see the people who are coming, approaching. Many are professionals. And still many more programs are available for Goa people. Okay. But those programs we did not find good learners. Okay. So we are also planning to do some more awareness program for Goa people, particularly the programs in tourism management we have, and programs in fisheries also we are having.
Okay. Madam, I am having many queries and many questions, but we are running short of time. So thank you being with us.
Thanks a lot. I'm thankful for Prudent TV for providing this opportunity.
Thank you. ह्यो आशिल्लो डॉक्टर एस राधा, गोवा रिजनल सेंटर इग्नूचे डायरेक्टर आशिल्लो, आणि तांणी विस्तारान इग्नू ही युनिवर्सिटी आसा ती कितले वेगवेगळे कोर्स ऑफर करता हांचे सांगपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. तुमकां जर ह्या विशयी कार्यक्रमा विशयी कितें सुचोवपाचें आसत जाल्यार मुजरत आमकां ईमेल करात. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट.